pa lang today, first of 3 games, may nakashoot na, tapos na, hindi po. Second game and third, kahit may makashoot ulit ng second game, bumaba lang siya. No?
They would just refresh.
50,000. No? And then another 50,000 kung may makashoot ulit.
Of course, every game day nila na dinaragdagan ng 50,000. So, we've already had 3 winners. We had a million, a 350,000 winner, and then a 200,000 winner. The last 2 minutes is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Baldo is fouled from behind.
It's just one of those things where minsan sinasabihan ka ng maybe your parents or maybe your good friend, no, when you're having a bad day. Alam mo, Juanito, masamang magalit pero hindi. Ang MPBL tsaka Sports Plus, lalo na Sports Plus, galit sa pera.
See the winner right here, RB Medillo. Congratulations again, sir. Yun ang maganda, nanalo ka na, nag-enjoy ka pa sa laro. Diba? 3 good MPBL games here. RB Medillo still staying after winning 100,000.
Palagay ko, mas appropriate pagbaliktad yun eh. Nag-enjoy ka na sa laro,
nanalo ka pa.
Diba?
Usually, you pay for tickets, but here in the MPBL, you watch.
It's free.
And you are paid.
Free po mga tickets, binabawas po sa payroll ni Coach Juanito.
Kaya, willing po akong bayaran kayo lahat. Tara na po, may second at third game. Later on, the Caloocan Batang Kangkalu will be going up against Iloilo in our main game.
Yung mga banat mo talagang no? Galawang politiko yan, Juanito. Mukhang tatakbo ko muna
Dito lang tayo tatakbo ko sa Caloocan Sports Complex sa ano lang tayo, extra calories burned lang ang pagtakbo natin. 1 minute and 14.
Yeah, yan na lang yung calories na ibaburn ng mga manlalaro natin. The 10 players on the court para sa dalawang koponan.
Hello, Coach. Let's talk about a few guys. It's the 4 players na nahirapan tayo pumili, but it's Ildefonso, De Los Reyes, Cassius Small Martin, and Jake Figueroa. Coach, the impact of the 4 here in the ball game.
Kahit sino piliin mo dyan, hindi ka magkakamali. But Jake Figueroa, even if this was quote-unquote a big game against a contending team or a middle-of-the-pack team, playoff team, I think Jake Figueroa would still have the same performance.
And impact as well.
Yeah.
Well, number 17, YouTube penalty, first
Penalty, 2 free throws.
2 free throws, Harold London.
42-point lead. Makes the first. Cuts it to 41.
Nagkamali ka na.
Uy.
Nagkamali ka na. Susumbong na kita sa professor mo.
Dali lang. Tama ba?
Tama ba?
Tama.
Tama. Sinusubukan lang kita. Sinusubukan lang kita.
Medyo napang-question ako ng aking arithmetic. 41.8 in favor of your Abra Solid North Weavers. They're looking to just hold on to the basketball right here. Yutok still looking to post up. 6 seconds. Jay Yutok is blocked. Fuentes, 10 seconds on the game clock. Balong. So challenged by Jay. Fuentes gets the 3. That's Joseph Fuentes.
You can just see the difference
John Fuentes.
from a culture standpoint. Even the last shot, even though it was made by Imos, it ended up in a contested shot.
Abra with a big win right here. They'll be winning by 38. 2 straight wins for the Abra Solid North Weavers.
Papa Jake Figueroa.